Big up Crosses TV.
Big up yourself, Crosses TV, the #1 blogging site right now for the mix up them. Crosses TV, big up yourself.
The lunch mad full of Mexico. This is me say we feel like me there Mexico. Them nothing now. You know. I'm gonna want the bag them in my house. The dirty clothes them. So I wanna keep dirty house. Yeah, house for clean. Yeah. I start shit on 54. I understand why there's some piece away. Yeah, dirty man every week him raise the blood clot machine. And the machine them look at them no good. So stop come down at that one here anyway. Need to start with the one near me yard. I need to start with the one near me yard. Oh God, I'm tired. But there, that phone is gonna die. The phone not take no good charge, you know. Yeah. People them wicked not foreign. The amount of lock up me get boy, yeah. The amount of lock up me get it out number. Me and them tracing America. By the time tracing done, I'm look. I see somebody I call my phone. You have to come down by the precinct. Everybody blood clot lock me up. Everybody. Mother, father, sister, brother, auntie, uncle, niece, nephew, granny. The dog and all the cats. Yeah. Everybody lock me up. Yeah. But now, when the table turn now, and Stacy get the blade and the angle and everything now, it's a problem. Kupa Unuh too. I not catch it none of Unuh. I'm not living in no house. Can't that put me out. I say, amount of people lock me up. I'll tell like me say me thief this, and them lock me up. Say me make video and put up video on Instagram with them. And then me put out video, me get locked up. Everything people lock me up for. And one time, I come out of my yard, ice come, lock me up. Into my house, my door a beat down ACS. The amount of things the people them do to me. And the one time now, when me get the upper hand now, when I come talk, come on Unuh too, I come kiss up my blood clots. If I'm not begging now on Instagram. Remember me had the hungry girl come on Instagram, never come put up a cash up yet. I not beg no not Unuh nothing. No not Unuh. Yeah. And I just say it there. Blood clot, I feel like when you can't take set from my boy, yeah. No now you can't take no set from me. And anybody we have pay Unuh, but come take set from me, give them back their money. Cause now go work. Anybody pay Unuh to take the sets, give them back their money. Cause take set now go work. And that's the truth. Yep. No, sir. I'm tired. Somebody come lift up them bag here for me. Ouch. Anybody we have pay Unuh to take sets, give them back their money. Cause now go work. Cause nobody can take the set from me. I promise you that one day. You can come take the set for me. Anybody who no want call them from now, so them call them from now, so them can make them way and come. No waste no time. Yeah. morning, so I come out. Anytime I wash the bathroom there, my finger always a lick up. So I come out from my finger. I'm tired, I'm going. I have 4 more machines for go. I'm tired, man. Up from 7 o'clock I clean. And I can't, if I start clean, I can't move until I'm done clean. I don't know what do me. Something wrong with me. You know, some people would have stop and then clean some and then I can't do it. I have to just do one big cleaning. Now when I done clean now, I wicked to myself now. I say I'm going to wash. So I wait till tomorrow before I go wash. So you know I'm extra tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. The phone I got dead. I got borrow one charge, yeah.